socket or power outlet, you must choose the correct Teflon socket set or sets required for the specific pipe sizes you are working with. Note that the fusion machine shown here can be used for pipe sizes from 16mm to 50mm. Once the Teflon socket has been secured to the heating plate, you can turn on the power switch to allow the fusion tool to heat up. You must wait until the display on the tool confirms the set temperature is ready for use. PPR fusion takes place at 260 degrees Celsius. To begin, measure a piece of pipe to the length required and mark it. Next, use the cutting tool to cut the pipe where marked and make sure that the edge is clean and straight. You are now ready to fuse the pipe and PPR fitting together in a permanent union. The pipe and fitting should be pushed with a little pressure onto the heated Teflon socket. Ensure that the correct safety equipment is used, as the socket should be at a temperature of 260 degrees Celsius. The depth of insertion and the heating time is determined by the PPR pipe size. Please check your PPR manual for the correct depth and heating time before you begin. When the heating time is reached, carefully remove both pipe and fitting from the Teflon socket and be careful not to twist, wiggle or change the angle as you do so. Immediately push the pipe and fitting into one another, again making sure of the angle. Do not twist the fitting or pipe when inserting. Be careful not to push the two parts beyond the specified heating depth for the specific pipe size. The fusion joint should now be left to cool for the specified time. Make sure that there is no pressure on the fusion weld during the cooling period. Once cooled, the two parts have effectively become one. To demonstrate this, we will cut a cooled fusion joint. As you can see, if the weld is correctly done, this joint can never leak. PPR, the smart way to plumb.